Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. Today we are going to do a very different video on my channel. We are actually going to be reviewing a gel brand of nail polishes. And Madam Glam was kind enough to send these to me for a review, an honest review. I am in no way made to say nice things about these, but I do have some nice things to say about them. And I do have one drawback, I will say, on the gel polishes that I was sent. This is a very different video for me, but if you are not new to my channel, I love to do my gel shellac polishes at home. I had a whole thing, a whole setup before, and I just love painting my nails. I find it very therapeutic, very rewarding to do. I do like when my nails are a little longer than this, but that's fine. We are here for my little nubby nails right now. I freaking love this color in particular as well. I love blue nail polish. I just really love blue nail polish. So I really had fun painting my nails for this video. So I do have I have tried a very large variety of gel polishes throughout the years. I think I started doing gel polish 10 years ago because my sister had all of the stuff, so I kind of would use her stuff, and then I asked for the whole thing for Christmas one year. Anyway, very long tangent to say, I have some opinions. I've used gel polishes before. I've used many different brands of gel polishes, and I have solid opinions on these products. Now, Madam Glam was kind enough to share a 30% off coupon code for you guys. I will have the link in the description box, but the code is going to be here on the screen. It'll be in the description box as well. I am not made to, one, say anything nice about these products. I am here to give you an honest review on these products. Two, I am not getting anything from that discount code or the coupon code that is here for you guys. That is strictly for you guys to get money off of your order if you want to purchase from Madam Glam. And I have to say, I'm actually very impressed with the products that I've received. I think the thing that I'm the most this is amazing is this thing, which is their LED light. It is so small and compact. It has just a micro USB port, and that's how you power it. So you can plug it into your computer, you can plug it into your phone, brick thing that plugs into the wall. You could use this in the car, you could use it at work. It's very discreet, it's very small. The legs pop up. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have a hard time with this one right now. So the legs pop up like this. Maybe I should just show you guys. So you plug it into a micro USB port. You can click it once and it lights up for 45 seconds. You click it twice, it lights up for 60 seconds, and you click it a third time and it turns the whole thing off. So I find this very, very sleek, very compact. This is very small. It's the size of my hand, which I have a normal size hand. I don't know. Not the smallest, not the largest, but it's very compact. It's not big at all, which I really appreciate, because my other gel light that I use, it's the CND professional one. That thing is a shoebox, and imagine pulling a shoebox out and sending it on your desk every time you're gonna paint your nails. Whereas this is so compact and tiny. It's the size of a hand. So I really like this. I think that this is way more manageable, and it's so light. I could take this on vacation with me if I wanted to, if I foresaw myself ruining my manicure or whatever. It's very nice. Now, the gel polishes themselves that they sent over just the normal soak-off base and top coat, which are lovely. We'll have more to say about that in a minute. And then they sent over 3 of the colorful nail polishes. So I think my favorite one out of these 3 is actually this blue one. It's called Vitamin C. It is so pretty. It is unreal how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, I love this color so, so much. Then we have my second favorite, which is this guy, which is Sunsets in Hawaii. It is a beautiful neon orange. I was wearing this in a couple videos. I will have it linked if I remember. But if you've seen my Taco Bell kind of nails, the Kaleidos Futurism 3 kind of nails, I was using all of these polishes in that nail design that I did. And then I have the Madam Glam Soft all of these are. And then I have this guy here, which is Amazonian Dream, which surprisingly, I love this kind of color. It's my least favorite out of the bunch. So I really enjoy all three of these colors. I feel like for the money, you get a decent size of polish. All right, so their gel polishes run from $20 if you are not a VIP member, or $19.95. But if you do the VIP membership, they drop down the price like in half. So if you do the VIP membership, it is $9.98 per polish. I believe the membership is $20 a month, and it rolls into like product. So it's kind of like the BoxyCharm subscription-y kind of thing, or like Fabletics, where you pay but you get like a discount on top of it and money towards whatever you're going to buy. But yeah, I think that you get a decent amount of product for the money. These have 15 mils of product, or a half of an ounce, which is a decent amount of product. I feel like all of the other gel polishes that I've bought have been much smaller, and they've cost just the same amount of money, on par with the Madam Glam when it's not on the VIP side. There are a couple things that I'm still eyeballing on the Madam Glam website. I want to try some of their poly gels because I do like to do poly gel. I also really, really want that peel off base coat. I want to get my hands on it so bad. We're gonna do a demo real quick, just doing this manicure that you're seeing right now, and then I will jump into like my formal thoughts on this product. So as far as these go, I really am impressed with the base coat. I have noticed that this base coat actually adheres the gel onto my fingernails a lot more, or much better than some of the other gel polishes that I have. I do have one from Dimension Nails, which I really wanted to love. I don't like it as much as this Madam Glam Soak Off Base Gel base coat. The Dimension polish, I feel like peels my nail polish off quicker, but it could be that I'm just not prepping my nails enough, but I don't have to prep my nails, and this lasts a lot longer. Like these, I painted them today, but the polish lasts on my nails and doesn't flake off until I like actively attempt to peel it off or soak it off, which is the proper way. But I really do like the gel base coat that I was sent. The colors, absolutely great. I find 2 coats for like a total opaque application, but you can get away with just 1 coat. It's just not as opaque. Like there is a very small amount of streakiness when I do just 1 coat of this, but I find that with gel polishes in general, I need at least 2 coats to make it the thickness that I like in my gel polish, as well as the opacity that I like in my gel polish. These ones that I have are the more like cream style, so there's no like shimmer in these. It's not like a transparent, or it's not made to be like see-through. These are like true opaque cream polishes. I really like these. I think that they apply really, really nicely. Again, my favorite is definitely this blue. I'm partial because I like blue polish a lot. But yeah, I really, really enjoy this color. All of these are absolutely beautiful. The orange one is definitely the most neon. It's so stunning though. Now, the soak off top coat, I have to say, out of everything that I tried from Madam Glam, this is probably the biggest dud. And it's not even that it's a dud. It's just, it's a formula that's a little bit more runny than I like in general. So I like a slightly thicker top coat to seal everything in. One, because I am not the most careful when it comes to doing my nails. I feel like they look pretty good right now, but there are so many times where I get nail polish all over. This polish, being as runny as it is, tends to leave me with, I will put an appropriate amount on my nails, but then it seeps into like the corners of my nail. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on this one right here. The polish kind of seeped into like the crack of my nail, and it was only the top coat, so it's making it like have like a little bit of a lip where it shouldn't be. Other than that, I just have to be a little bit more careful and a little bit more precise and really touch up or like go through with like the orange stick or like my fingernail to remove any polish that has kind of sunk down into my cuticle lines. So that is the only thing, and it's not even like this is a dud. I will use this. This is a great top coat. It's just in the formulas that I like a little bit thicker of a formula for my top coat. Everything else had like a perfect consistency. It was just this one that was a little too thin for my liking personally. So that is it. That is my review for the Madam Glam polishes and a small demo of the application for these. Again, don't forget to use the code LauraForce30 to save 30% on your order. The link will be in the description box below. I've been eyeballing more from the Madam Glam line. Definitely some colors, and that base coat, the peel off base coat, looks amazing. But yeah, that is it. That is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!